How to change heading font in Word document. When you select the heading and then click on the heading 1, for example, the font changes. To change this font to the font you want, just select the heading, then right click on the heading tab, go to modify, and here you will see the option of formatting, under which here is the font option. You can just click on the drop down and then select the font of your choice, for example Times New Roman, and you can make it bold if required and select the color of the font as black. After selecting, you will see the preview here and then click on OK. Now as you can see, the heading automatically changed. You can just now select the next headings in your document and then just click on heading 1 like this, and you will get the required formatting. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen if you want to learn more about heading in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.